Hey guys, on the ferry, I'm feeding the birds. Look how much birds. A million birds.
Look behind you, Walter. Oh, Trey, wait. Is it poop? Let's throw it out. Let's throw it out this way. I think it's poop. Come on. Oh my God, they're pooping on our hands.
Oh, is it poop on me?
Yes. They got me too. They got us with the poop.
I got poop on my head.
Huh?
Oh, I got poop on my head. I got poop on my head.
Okay, well let's throw it out. Let's throw it out.
Don't poop.
Here, throw.
This is the first time that I ever got poop on my head. You never put poop. I want to give one a big face.
They pooped on us.
They pooped.
Is on some on me too?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they didn't win the water pool.
Don't throw the big pieces like they gotta break them up, Trey. Here, Eric.
End it so I can see the poop on my head.
Don't break it up, Daddy.
Look, I got one.
No, break them up, Trey. Trey, look. Watch mommy. Trey, hold this up in your hand.
Hold on. Did you just poop again?
Hold it up like this.
Huh? Did you just poop again?
Did you see he took it out of my hand? Watch. Hold it up. Throw that down. Throw that down. No, throw that down. And then, no, Jesus. Pick that up. And just hold it up straight. Just hold it up straight. No, Eric, let him hold it. Straight. Put it straight in the sky. They're gonna get it. Look, watch mommy. Look, hold it. Hold yours. Hold. Take your piece.
Hold on, now I just want to see the poop on my head, so end it.
Look, watch. Watch mommy's hand. I'm scared. One took a piece out of my hand earlier. Eric, they had one just right. I'm sorry, I threw it at your back. Oh my God, he caught it up the air. Oh, right down here, Trey. Look over here, over the edge, Trey. Look.